Hi there, welcome to this clean manual install of Ubuntu 22.04. I originally installed this version of Ubuntu via the Microsoft Store, but needed another clean install. Since the store does not allow reinstallation of the same version, I opted for this manual method instead. This tutorial walks you through the process. Let's begin. Let's quickly review the requirements. If, like me, you've installed any Ubuntu distro from Windows Store before, it means you already have Windows 10 or 11 with WSL2 enabled. We will use WSL command and either curl, wget, or PowerShell command invoke web request to download the Ubuntu root file system. And of course, you need enough disk space. I already have WSL folder in my C drive, so I'll change directly to it. And then we're going to create the Ubuntu 22.04 folder. In my case, I name it with a -yt. Then change directory into it. Now let's go ahead and download the root file system of Ubuntu. We can either go to the official Ubuntu Cloud Image Archive website, or simply run one of the above commands. I will use the invoke web request. Now this may take some time. We can then import it into WSL with this PowerShell command. This is the new distro name within WSL. This will be the install location. And of course, we're using version 2. Okay, the operation completed successfully. Okay, moment of truth. Let us now attempt to start the new instance of our Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, we are now inside a fresh Ubuntu 22.04 installation. I'm now going to set a password for the root. Password updated successfully. And then I'm going to add a user. And I'm going to add the user to the sudo group, granting administrative and super user privileges. I prefer to switch to my user instead of root every time I open this Ubuntu tab. Let's open the bashrc file. And at the very end, add the following. Save and close. Let us try to start our new instance again. Okay, now we are in as Amir, the user we just created. If you wish, you can set this distro as your default. Let me show you how. Currently, Ubuntu 22.04 is our default. Let's check again. Ubuntu 22.04.5.yt is now our default. And if you're using Windows Terminal, you should now see your distro included in the list. And that's it. Thank you.